In this tutorial, you will learn how to add gradient to logo in Adobe Illustrator. There is also a bonus in the end of this video, so watch the complete video to fully understand this skill. Choose or create the shape that you want to use as your logo. Then switch the fill and stroke color so the drawing is black with no stroke. Select the gradient tool from your toolbox. This opens the setting box for the gradient tool. In type, choose from linear, radial or freeform gradient. Double-click the circle at either end of the gradient bar to select the colors you wish to graduate between. The secret trick is freeform gradients are a custom combination of colors that blend seamlessly. Click these points on the logo where you would like to add color stops and select new colors for each one. Drag a stop to move it around and see the effect it has on the color transition. Click within your shape to apply the gradient. Alternatively, draw a line with the gradient tool to define the length and angle of the gradient. I hope you have learned how to add gradient to logo in Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos like this. The bonus I mentioned earlier in this video is that you can download this complete file from the link given in the description of this video. So don't forget to check that and also give me a favor by subscribing to this channel. That's all in our part 42 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 43.